Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I am going to share you about the upcoming iOS 26 version, which is coming in maybe September, hopefully. So I will walk through you in next 5 minutes about what's new in iOS 26 beta. Hopefully, it will be the same in the prod or public release version. So, as you can see here, these are the major beta features which is available now for the testing. If you if you actually wants to explore or test something on iOS 26 beta, it's available. You can join the beta program and you can check all these features. The first one you can see is the liquid glass UI, right? The user interface. So what is this liquid glass UI? So this is already available, I'm sure, on Samsung devices, right? But Apple is coming with iOS 26, right? And this is actually it's a the new virtual the liquid glass is actually new visual design, right? uh, Design element that dynamically react to movement and changes the way light reflect off interface elements like button on tabs. It also enables a new all clear look for app icon, where icon are clear glass with no color. So this is very useful visual effect, visual intelligence for the screenshot and live translation, and the improvement on the phone as well, right? The other one is the very most important Apple Intelligence, right? Which is actually uh, iOS 26 integrate with Apple Intelligence AI throughout the system, with notable improvement in Siri, reminders, and Apple Wallet. Live translation is also available in Message, FaceTime, and phone application. This is a very good tool if you are working in a secure regulated environment. You must be consider or rethink about how you gonna roll out Apple Intelligence or protect your data from the Apple Intelligence or AI on iOS 26. I have already made video how to block the Apple Intelligence on iOS operating system. You can go and search the dynamic wallpaper, right? This is also very good, right? Redefined camera app icon, improvement call screening and settings, right? And then CarPlay and system performance improvement, of course, and notification summary return. So these are the iOS 26 actually introduced polls in messages, the ability to manage unwanted call, improvement call handling in phone app. The overall, I can say the iOS 26 feature is the refresh interface across the system, making app and experiences more expressive and visually appealing, right? So you can see there are some notable changes you will see, and like in the car play, car games, customization, Siri, and wallet. The exclusive feature for the Pro model, right? Many of the flagship features, like particularly for those powered by Apple Intelligence, are limited to iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 models, right? So those are the actually flagship features model, right? But you will if you see the Apple major visual is like liquid glass. It's mostly talk about visual glass. People are excited about the visual glass and Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is already released, but and but this visual glass is how actually it will look, right? You can see if you already use that, right? There are also some improvement on camera and real-time language translation on on the system, right? Gaming also, they are giving some of the visual effect, right? So maybe you're wondering why they have not given iOS 19, why they have given iOS 26. So iOS 26 they have given because just to streamline whether we are in 2025, and they will be it's not matching with the year, right? So they want to just streamline the name or the version with year, right? So that they can follow the year, like 2026, year 2026 become a iOS 26. So that's where the Apple is adopting the system, right, where the number correspond to the year. The software is primarily use iOS 26 for 2026. These changes apply across all the operating system, right? So just Apple is just streamlining the number based on the year based system, and it will consistency across the platform. For from a user perspective, these changes make it easiest to understand when an update was released and what features are likely to be included. For example, knowing an iPhone is running iOS 26 indicates it's designed to work with the feature and update available in that release cycle of 2026, right? This is how all these features available. So as you can see the release timeline, iOS 26 beta updates, public iOS beta updates. iOS 26 beta update is expected in later July 2025. It's already there. You can take and you see the beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 and beta 4, right? So it has been released starting from June 10 to there. The full public release will be available in September for iOS 17 series starting, because iOS 17 is also coming. Apple iPhone 17 is series is also coming. So I hope you learn. Make sure you know about these features. What is the liquid glass, Apple Intelligence, what is the dynamic wallpaper and notification summarization, CarPlay. These are the major features which you can explore in iOS 26 beta. If you have not tried the iOS 26 beta on your phone, try in some of the test devices and see how it looks and behave. I hope you learned something new about this iOS 26 beta. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.